This bond really supports students. It supports teachers. It supports communities.
I know that the skills that I teach in my class are very useful in basically every other subject. And having a better layout of our classrooms would allow my classes to interact with other classes so that my students can start to see the connections between all of the other amazing subjects.
So our school was built for about 1,600 with about seating for 400. And the seating in the cafeteria, you just have to find a place to sit.
I see kids sitting throughout the hallways or on the floor. There's never enough seats, and sometimes people are forced to eat outside, even when it's raining.
Security is a huge issue. I think that's one thing that's probably really on the top of a lot of parents' minds is security.
There are 2 openings in the front of the school that are wide open. We need to make sure that only students and staff are on our open campus. So we put a sandwich board up there. And that's basically the only security measure I have.
This bond is going to address overcrowding that we have in some of our large high schools. So we still have a number of our choice program schools that have not rebuilt. And so we want to be able to provide them the same type of learning environments that we have for our other schools. This bond ensures that we maintain the high quality that our community has come to expect from the Bellevue schools.